Hello everyone, I'm Nitin Reddy from ECP section. Today I'd like to describe about accessing string elements, strings and characters. How to create strings. We can create a strings by keeping the group of words or characters in a single quote or double quote or triple quotes. Here follows the example 3. It is the string is kept in the triple quotes, triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Here example 5 is here. Welcome to Core Python. Here welcome to Core Python is involving two double quotes and two single quotes. We can keep single quotes inside of the double quotes or double quotes inside of single quotes. Length of string. We are able to find the length of a string by using function lem parenthesis of a string. Here example string equal to core python n equal to length of string. You can find the length of string by using length of string. We will give the length as 1 to this the length of core python is 11. Indexing the strings. We can index the strings by using both positive and negative indexing is possible in Python. Example is string is equal to core Python method 1. Accessing each character using while loop. N equal to length of string where I equal to we can first give the condition I equal to 0 and while loop print str I dot end equal to the single quote. Here end will give the while loop to continue the same line while using slicing operator for I in string of colon colon. It means it is the first is nothing but a starting element, and second one is the last element, and this third is a step. We can use a step to increment or decrement the numbers, and with that too using for loop for I in string print I and using slicing operator, slicing the strings. String of colon colon here first before first colon is nothing but a starting index of a string, and middle one is nothing but ending last element of a string, and third is nothing but step. In the second example, string of 0 is to example 0 is to 0 semicolon 9 colon 1, and nothing but 0 is the first element and ninth is the second element. Here is a 1. By default we will not mention 1, it will take as a default by 1. And these are the examples of some slicing operators. Repeating the string. Here, string is an immutable. We can repeat the string by using the asterisk operator by multiplying the string into string. So, for example, one string is equal to 4 Python. String is multiplied with 2. Then the outcome is 4 Python, 4 Python. It will be repeated 2 times because we are multiplying with 2. Concatenation of strings. You can concatenate the strings by using plus operator. Plus operator means 4 here. S1 is equal to 4 and S2 equal to Python. S3 equal to S plus S2. Then it is nothing but 4 Python. It will add the concatenate the strings. Membership operators. We can check if a string or a character is a member of another string or not using the in or not in operator. In or not in makes case sensitive comparison. Example: let string is equal to enter the user to enter first string. String 2 is equal to second string. If sub in string print sub place it's found in main string. Else print sub is not found in main string. Yeah, removing spaces. You can remove spaces by using a L strip or R strip or strip. L strip removes spaces from the left side. Print here the syntax of it is print str dot L strip and R strip. Remove spaces from the right side of the string. Print here the syntax is print str dot R strip parenthesis. Strip remove spaces from the both sides. Print str dot strip. But we have to note that while strip In this strip function, it doesn't remove the spaces in middle of the string. Finding substrings. Methods useful for finding the strings in the main string. Find find index or index. Find is nothing but index will search for the substring from the beginning. R find will search for the substring from the end. And find returns -1 if substring is not found. Index returns value error if the substring is not found. Finding the substrings. Syntax intent string that find substring comma beginning comma end. Beginning is nothing but a starting character of an substring and end is nothing but any character of a substring. Example string n equal to str that find substring 0 comma length of string. N equal to -1 colon print substring not found else print substring found. Finding the substring. Finding the substring to display all positions of substring in a given maintained string. Counting the substrings in a string. We can use the count function to count the substrings. To count the number of occurrence of substrings in a main string. Syntax. String name dot count substring comma beginning letter of character of string and ending character of string. Example 1. String equal to New Delhi. N equal to str dot count Delhi. In nothing but Delhi it will count as 1 because here Delhi is only 1. Example 2. String is New Delhi. Str dot count E comma 0 comma 3. String is immutable. Immutable object is an object whose content cannot be changed after processing. Immutable. Immutables are numbers, strings, tuples. And mutables are list, sets, or dictionaries. In list, sets, dictionaries, we can append or add and remove. We can extend, we can update these mutable data types. String are immutable. Immutable object is an object whose content cannot be changed. Example: s1 equal to 1, s2 equal to 2, s2 equal to s1. Replacing string with another string. You can replace the string with another string by using replace function. To replace the substring with another substring. Syntax: string name dot replace old comma new. Here str equal to Ram is good boy. Str1 equal to str dot replace good comma handsome. Then print string 1. It's nothing but Ram is an handsome boy. Here good is replaced by handsome. Splitting and joining. Strings. Split. Use the break the strings. Use it to break the strings. Pieces are written as a list. Syntax is string name that split character. Example equal to string 1, 2, 3. List equal to str that split. Then it will be the result is output in the form of list 1, 2, 3. Check starting and ending of strings method. Start with you can check the suppose the string is Python word. If the string start with pyt, then it will return true. The syntax is start with str. So str dot start with here inside the brackets we have to mention the word which we have to access. Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful.